Hello and welcome to Light Tech Reviews. Today I'm going to show you how to hide apps on your Samsung Galaxy device. Now, if you've noticed that your apps are getting out of hand, there's a few ways that we can remedy this situation. Now, obviously, the first way to lessen the amount of apps that you have is, of course, to uninstall the app. Now, if you've installed an app for just one specific use, then you can easily uninstall it by going to the app that you want to uninstall. For example, we want to uninstall Quora. So you tap and hold the app and then click on uninstall. Okay, confirm, and then it'll uninstall itself. Done. Now the second way is if you have an application that was pre-installed on your phone, chances are you won't be able to uninstall it without rooting your device. Rooting is basically getting admin privileges to your phone. Now to disable an app that came preloaded on your device, go to the app that you want to disable and tap and hold it, and you'll get the option to disable the app. So tap on disable and then confirm. Now lastly, if you want to hide an app temporarily without uninstalling it or disabling it, you can do so through your launcher's settings. Now there's three ways we can go to the home screen settings on your Samsung device. The first way is to tap and hold the home screen, like so, and then clicking on home screen settings on the lower right. Now the second way to do this is to open up the app drawer and then clicking on the three dots on the top right of the screen and then clicking on home screen settings. Now the last way is to actually just go to your settings app and then searching for home screen settings. Now once you get to the home screen settings page, you want to scroll down to the very bottom, and then the second to the last option there should be hide apps. Now once you get to this screen, you'll be able to select the apps that you want to hide. Now once you've selected the apps that you want to hide, click on done, and that's it. Now if you want to unhide the apps that you just hidden, you can easily go to the home screen settings again, go to hide apps, and then untapping it from the hidden apps and clicking on done. It's that easy. Now, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a thumbs up, and if you want to see more how-to videos, please subscribe to Light Tech Reviews and enjoy the rest of your day.